The C-Zone digital control and monitoring network brings advanced technology to the fishboat segment, fully integrated into Smoker Craft Incorporated's premium models. C-Zone replaces complex switch and fuse panels with a lightweight NEMA 2000 network. That means dramatically reduced wiring, faster installation, and cleaner, safer systems on board. The NEMA 2000 protocol allows various onboard systems, like your engine, trolling motors, MFDs, power poles, and C-Zone, to communicate seamlessly over a single plug-and-play network. This ensures smooth integration, fewer cables, and centralized control at your fingertips. Select models of Smoker Craft's fish boats feature 4 smart modes that simplify key systems with the press of a button. Fish on mode. Turns on bow and aft live well aerators. Each fills for 6 minutes, then cycles 3 minutes off. 6 minutes on. Drain pump is turned off. Fish off mode. Turns off bow and aft live well aerators. Activates the drain pump for 5 minutes, then shuts off automatically. Night cruise mode. Turns on accessory power. Turns on navigation and all-around lights. Day cruise mode. Turns on accessory power. Turns off navigation and all-around lights. Cold water aeration mode, which adjusts the aerator cycle to 3 minutes on, 3 minutes off, for both bow and aft pumps. The 12-button switch panel provides access to essential functions at any time. These include master power button, navigation, anchor light, bilge pump, accent lights, 4 short presses, cycles through light colors and dim. 1 long press, turns the circuit off. Accessory power, bow live well aerator. 6 minutes on, 3 minutes off, unless cold water mode is activated. Aft live well aerator, 6 minutes on, 3 minutes off, unless cold water mode is activated. Drain, recirculate control. Short press turns on. Long press turns on for 5 minutes, then automatically shuts off. All of these functions and more are also accessible directly through the C-Zone interface on your MFD. Also, you can customize the backlight color of your keypad to match your style or visibility needs. To change it, hold the power button and then press the horn button. This will cycle through the available color options. After initial power-up of your Contact 6 Plus keypad, if there is a fault, the keypad will flash a specific number of times to indicate what the issue is. C-Zone is designed with safety in mind, including 2-step load shedding to protect your battery system. Stage 1, low voltage, E12.1 volts. Stereo, 12 volts / USB ports. Push button lights. Interior accent lighting. Stage 2, very low voltage, 11.6 volts. Multifunction display. Accessory power. Turns off bow and aft live well pumps. Drain pump. The auto bilge feature activates when a GPS signal is present by a NEMA 2000, either from your multifunction display or engine. Once the boat exceeds 25 miles per hour, the bilge pump will run for 1 minute automatically. To directly connect your MFD to the NEMA 2000 network, follow these simple steps. Locate the NEMA 2000 network T. You may need to remove the speaker grill located near the helm. Unscrew the 4 mounting screws and carefully remove the speaker. Pull the NEMA 2000 drop cable up above the dash. Plug it directly into the NEMA 2000 port on the back of your MFD. This gives you instant access to C-Zone controls and system data through your display. There is also NEMA 2000 access at the bow of the boat, allowing for direct integration with bow-mounted MFDs and accessories. To power down the boat completely, access the hatch at the rear of the boat. Inside, you'll find the C-Zone control panel. Simply press the red circuit breaker battery switch to turn off power to the system. The C-Zone digital switching system brings cutting-edge convenience to Smoker Craft fish boats, simplifying your time on the water so you can focus on what matters most. For troubleshooting guides and additional resources, visit the link in the description.